Hi, I'm Tom Mullen. I manage corporate development and technology alliances at OPSWAT. I'm here today to share about the OPSWAT platform, which protects critical infrastructure and the organizations that operate it. OPSWAT has created a platform that controls user access, data access to the systems that generate our power, that heats our homes, that lights our lights, that purifies our water. I'm standing in front of a replica of an environment of an operator that has both an enterprise environment where the front office, customer service, accounting do their business, as well as an OT environment where the magic happens, where the power is generated, where the boilers are operating. And I'm going to quickly go through how our platform provides protection. We're going to start in the OT environment. Our platform includes a solution to identify all assets within the OT network, understand what other assets those devices are communicating with, on what protocols, what the country of origin of those devices. Basically, it gives an operator the ability to understand what they have in the environment and to make smart decisions about cybersecurity for that environment, including taking devices offline. Within an operational or industrial environment, you're going to have programmable logic controllers, or HMIs, which actually control the machinery that makes the magic happen. Our platform includes a solution to make sure that those devices, those systems, are protected from anomalous commands from, say, a compromised engineering station. It's essentially an industrial cabinet-level firewall, IDS/IPS. We also protect engineering stations by ensuring that updates to those engineering stations are malware-free and are not vulnerable, and the updates themselves come from countries of origin that meet the compliance requirements of the organization. Operational environments tend to be isolated and air-gapped. Our platform also provides a solution to allow authorized users to have certain access to certain assets to which they're authorized to either monitor or actually make changes. One of the challenges of an operator of an operational environment is safely introducing firmware updates to the assets that control the plant's behavior. Part of our platform is a series of solutions that allow you, the operator, to introduce those updates in a controlled manner. One method is to use our kiosk line, where you can control what users introduce what portable media, and most importantly, have all content of that media scanned for malware, for vulnerabilities, for country of origin before it's moved into the environment. We also offer additional sets of controls whereby the portable media remains outside of the DMZ and is transported through a unidirectional gateway we offer as part of our platform to the engineering station. We can also add additional capabilities to ensure that if you actually allow portable media inside the environment, that the engineering station will know that we have scanned that content, or that stick and its content, before it's inserted into the engineering station. This reduces the risk of a compromise of the station. Again, if it was compromised, we still have our industrial firewall to protect the assets that station would normally control if it was compromised. Another aspect of our platform is movement of data upwards from the operational environment into the enterprise or IT environment for analysis. Operational environments generate tremendous amounts of data about the behavior of the turbines, the pumps, the filtering, the actuators. That data is typically, in our platform, passed through a unidirectional gateway up into the enterprise environment, where a business analyst can examine that data to understand when is the next maintenance period, should there be changes to optimize the efficiency of that device. I'm now going to turn to the IT environment or IT network. These environments tend to be much more open. Again, the persons who work there, accounting, could be sales, could be marketing, could be customer service. Some of them may be working from home. Some of them may work in an office. They're going to be using email to interact with each other, to interact with business partners. That type of activity exposes the environment to a fair amount of risk. And so our platform anticipates that and provides a set of protections to ensure that those users, those workers, and the assets in the enterprise environment are also protected. As mentioned, email is commonly used in IT environments. It's a big risk factor, probably still the biggest risk factor to IT environments. So part of our platform is an email security gateway that is available as an on-prem server or as a cloud service. The focus is to protect users from malicious content being delivered via email, whether it's a link to a phishing site that will automatically download malware, or an attachment posing as a business document that itself triggers malware. Our platform includes both malware detection and malware prevention technologies that we've pioneered ourselves. Those same solutions, those same technologies, are also deployed in file upload gateways solutions that we offer. So if you're an operator of critical infrastructure and you allow your business partners, your customers, to upload contracts, claims, what have you, those same technologies will be deployed to ensure that that portal is protected and not brought down. I alluded to earlier that in a business environment, it's becoming more and more common that users are accessing the business remotely. Our platform, like in the OT environment, provides a secure remote access for users that includes understanding what applications they have rights to, and also allows you to set the conditions by which that user can access those, including, is the host device the user running meeting your security requirements around malware protection, anti-key logging, anti-screen capture technologies. In both environments, our platform also includes storage solutions that allow you to continue to use these technologies I've alluded to earlier around malware scanning, other threat prevention technologies we've developed that don't rely upon detection, to continuously scan content that's brought into the organization, whether it happens on the IT side or the OT side. Lastly, our platform includes diagnostic tools that allow you to check devices, whether they're being onboarded into your environment for the first time, or whether there's a change that you've made to that asset that you're concerned may have introduced some sort of threat. And again, these solutions, we call it MetaDefender Drive, will allow you to scan the entire system and determine whether that system's been compromised. So in toto, OPSWAT has a suite of integrated solutions that protect you as an operator of critical infrastructure from the business side of the house to the operational side of the house, and the interface between the business side and the operational side. Thank you for your attention, and if you have more interest in learning more about OPSWAT, go to opswat.com. Thanks very much.